So we're talking about making a blog, making a website, right, and running social media channels. Anything you take, right? Uh, People talk about content. So why content, and what is it? How you make it. What type of content is there? Let us discuss now. Right now, these all things will be, you'll be able to understand and make it more usable once you learn those basic things what we are learning here, and practice it. If you don't, without practice, no, this topic is it will not be used for us. So if you know how to make a blog, then having content will help us, right? Writing post, how to write, how to format, these things we have to practice it, right? So why content? Someone can answer me? Why content?
Going to explain on a particular topic actually. Then we
Mhm.
can explain about
So that's what
particular topic.
what it actually how it helps you, Sriram. See, um, first of all, why I need a content?
If you want to explain about any topic or any this thing, this content will help you.
Yes. So you are actually creating a description about a product, but how that is actually bringing anything help for you? Okay. So guys, so everyone might have heard this, right? People say, or at least digitally people say content is king, right? So content is very important. Why it is important? Because like just now Sriram mentioned, right? If you want to explain anything, now right now what we're discussing about content, right? So I'm actually explaining about the content only, how to write a content, or what type of content is there. This is what we're discussing, right? So this is of course again it's a content. So it creates an awareness, right? It will, like, content will help you to create awareness of what? Creates awareness of what? It can be a product or it can be a brand, right? Creates awareness of a brand. When you get a content, I mean, when you awareness happens, what will happen next? If I'm telling 10 people that Sriram makes nice t-shirt designs, he have a good collection. Now I'm creating that awareness through all my folks. Okay, maybe I have a 10 followers in my social network or 100 followers. So I keep telling people that my friend Sriram has a good collection of t-shirts. So what will happen? First of all, awareness is happening. Then what we are achieving with that? New customers, right? So he will find new customers. What else? Once customer comes, what we're doing, we are driving sales there, right? So please understand, this is very important. It is not just sales means, it might not be revenue. It can be in various aspects, right? Maybe you are doing some social, service. You want contributions like charity and all. So the more people you tell, saying that, okay, this is what you are doing, socially responsible something, people will get aware, right? Then they'll start contributing something. Like this, you can use it for any purpose. Right now, these social media is being used for various other reasons as well, right? Like politically, revolutions are happening across the countries. So any content, you take that will you'll be using for what? To create an awareness. Through that you get new leads, right? I mean new customers. Then those leads you will convert it into sales, maybe if not today, after some time, right? So that's why what people say is content is king. Very important. Okay, now the second question is, do we really need money to make this content? I
No.
mean, no, right? So please understand this. You know, of course, for this answer is no, guys. Right? You don't need in some kind of financial support, or you need not to invest money to create content. Anything or anyone can actually anyone can create content on anything. Okay, they can create a simple content by learning a basic things, or if they're learning in an advanced way, they can do a better content. That's all, right? The more you learn about particular thing, you can write better content about it, right? So anyone can create a content here. That is a And these days, if you writing content, right? Earlier days, their internet, all these things were issues, but now it is very easy for any of you to write content. Easier than ever. Okay, you can say. And one more thing is, there are tools available for you, right? Which is for free, guys. Okay, tools available for free for you to create content. Okay, so why content? First of all, I'm just giving you basic understanding. Then, do we need something to create out of our availability? No, anyone can create content on anything they want. Right? It's easy. Why it is easy? Because there is a lot of tools available. Right? So try to understand these things. Okay. Now, okay, fine. It is easy. Then, what type of content is there? Like, content formats, let us discuss. What kind of content formats are available? Any ideas?
It's pictorial by writing or by video.
Video.
Audio,
Okay.
and by writing text.
Okay. Good. Good. So when you take, okay, let's say I'm saying audio. So in audio, what all things you have? Just creating an audio will not be a content, right? So what we use for audio? That is called podcast. Okay, so we can, it's like, you listening to FM radio, right? So FM radio, what you listening on regular basis, the same thing you can say, there are people who is coming online and, teaching people through audio, right? Those are called podcast. It's like a blog, but in an audio version, that's all, right? So when he's talking about, video, what is that? What format it is? Visual. Visually,
Good,
he's
good.
creating what? Those can be photos. Those can be like some kind of graphics, right? Animated, something like that. Graphics. Then comes videos. These are visual content, right? You getting it right? Audio is there, visual is there. What else is there? Written content, right? Like, writing. So those and all, what all formats is available? We have the first thing is blog, right? That's what we are actually going through. Then we have articles, right? This is one format. And then there is something called downloadable guides. We can create in this format also. Like some one PDF document or something you create, right? It's a guide for me. So if you are using particular product, you will give me a guide. So for example, when I'm giving you, telling you WordPress, what I can create a simple guide how to actually, navigate through WordPress dashboard. Right? On that, I can create a simple document and share it with you. So whenever you wanted to go through this WordPress, you might wanted to, review this document and get the help what all you need, right? Without waiting for someone to reach you. That can be a guide. Then we have ebooks. We have ebooks. Then what else we do? Like social media posts, right? But of course, we use visual or audio, and we actually reach all these things. I mean, we all create these things. Clear, right? Then, okay. For example, now if I have to take an example of podcast, any example you guys have? Podcast is like you have Apple Podcast. So Spotify, you might have heard of Spotify recently, right? There is a lot of TV advertisements are coming. So Spotify, if you log in, you'll be able to see podcast there. Of course, the primary thing is music. You guys will be able to see, but if you go to categories, you'll be able to find something called podcast. In that, you can find various type of podcasts, like technology, like social science. Like this, there are many topics. In the technology part, again, you have a subtopics, right? So one is the Apple Podcast, another is Spotify. Similarly, if you want to see what to say, social media post. What do you have? You have Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. All this comes into that. Then video means mostly people know YouTube, right? There is one more platform called Vimeo, right? Like this, there are different platforms are available. This is what content formats, right? Are you guys clear on this?
Yes, yes, Prakash.
Okay, thanks, Bindu. Right, this is called content format. Now, what is the types? Like, what all types we can create in this? Right, are these limited? I mean, see, format you can relate it to types, but let us discuss the types separately. This is format, like audio format, visual format, like that, right? So now let us talk about types. What is content types is there? So we talked about social media, right? Social media is there. Then what else is there? Articles we talked about. Then email newsletters, right? This is what it can be. Again, email newsletter can be combination of text, images, right? Like that. So email newsletter you can talk about. So articles is one, then newsletters. What else can be? Just let us, pick some topics and then we can do webinars. You guys know, right? Webinar. What is the difference between webinar and a meeting?
Meeting actually we can discuss about the topic. Okay, in webinar actually just we can listen.
We can listen. So webinar is a one-way communication, right? Of course, there'll be a chat section where you guys can have question and doubts thing, but webinar is a one-way. That means you can have more people attending your webinar, right? There are thousands of limit each platform provides. So webinars can be a easy way. Then creating videos, case studies, right? I can create a case study, right? WordPress, right? So WordPress, you can create a case study saying that last 1 year how it is performing, right? So people who is learning about WordPress, they wanted to learn, know about this, right? That is called what? Case study. So if I'm learning a WordPress, if you give me that kind of case study where it shows what kind of development it has, what kind of plugins they're providing, or themes, how easy it is, something like that. If you create a case study, maybe one of the celebrities using it, right? How much traffic they're getting, all this information if you show, so people will be curious to go through that and learn more, right? That is what case study. It can be anything. I'm just giving an example on technology side, right? Then we talked about podcast, right? Then what else is there? We have ebooks. Ebooks is PDF. Same thing. Now, whatever some kind of say top 10 best things about WordPress, or say step-by-step process about how to use WordPress. So maybe 5-page document you create with some kind of images we add, screenshots we put, step by step, detailed instructions if we create, that 5 or 10-page document can become 20-page document. Then convert into PDF and start providing to people with your brand, whether it is a free or paid, right? That's the ebook. Then digital magazines, same way, right? What else we can create? We can create cheat sheets, like same PDF, right? Cheat sheets in the sense, say what is the task you wanted to do it on a daily basis for a digital marketer, right? So what I can do, I can create one cheat sheets where um, some kind of stats or something. Then we can create workbooks, right? Workbook in the sense, um, some kind of task every day you have to do, like say daily post it on social media, create question and answers, something like that, which you supposed to follow every day. So I'll take that one, I'll just make a checklist saying that okay, this is done, second part done, third part done, like that, right? Then what else we can do? We can create templates. Templates is what?
Pre-designed pages.
Sorry.
Pre-designed pages, sir.
No, Uncle Bob. It's not just design pages. Templates can be anything. Template is, for example, if you're teaching me finance management, right? You will give me Excel sheet, right? With that calculation, proper calculation and all, you already kept with the sample information, right? You have a title here, some kind of information here. So this template, what I have to do, I have to just input my information here. Automatically, you will get the output, right? Similar like this. So you take in any way. Now in WordPress, what we're using go to themes, we're using templates, which is already readily available, that I am customizing for my according to me. Like this, in every place you can create a template. Okay, So those templates you can provide. It's not on the only designing part. Right? So you will create your own template, whatever you're teaching, and you will start giving to people so that they will just feed the information and they'll get the result.
It's like a blueprint.
Oh, great. Yes, Gayatri. Okay, so you guys can think like, it's a blueprint. So template is like, Excel sheets, like even if you go into PowerPoint, right? So these are the different templates available, right? See more if you go. So these are different templates for you, right? Or else if you want to create your own template also, you create a new design first in your own way and you can save it as a template for others. Maybe you're creating you with your own brand, background, your logo in the corner, all that you're creating. So that one, what you can do, you can go save it as a. So here you'll get an option called template, PowerPoint, see, template, right? So what will happen? This template, next time, whenever you're creating a new presentation for your own brand, it will become easy for you, right? This is called what? Template. So you can start creating templates and start giving to people. So they'll start following you. So what else? Infographics, right? Where simple information and all we can show. Same like WordPress stats. If I ask, one simple page you create, image or something, where you are showing what kind of traffic they get, or what kind of plugin, how many plugins are available right now. Okay, yearly, how much traffic they are getting, on a yearly basis, like this. Then we're talking about, yeah, photos is there. Also, we can create, course, right? I can create a course like in most of the examples we discussed this, right? You give a free or paid, that's up to you, right? Courses we can create. Then same way, audiobooks, right? So I think initially I sent you one link for registering Audible, right? So if you go to Audible, um, see, we have books here. These are books I can actually listen to. Okay, so maybe I'm, going for a drive or something, right? I'll be able to listen to these books anytime. These are audio version, right? This is what audio books. So I sent you a link, right? So maybe if you are, I think the offer is over, but 1 month you will get free. That means one ebook you will get it free. But if you see here, these are the audio version, the same, like see, My Journey, Transforming Dreams into Actions, right? By Abdul Kalam. So this one, if you want to read, yes, you can get a hard copy, but I can just listen to this book now if I want, right? This is what audio book. So we're talking about podcast and we're talking about audio book as well. Then what else? We can create codes and share it. This is what you guys started in the day one, right? I ask you to, inspirational or motivational quotes, start sharing with people so that we'll start getting them knowing about us. Then we have like we can create survey, right? So for you to understand what they're looking for, maybe in WordPress you wanted to teach two things. One is designing, another is blogging, right? So you can actually ask people today. Maybe you having after you sharing with information and all. So you got some 1,000 followers after 3 months or 6 months down the line. Then what you can do is what exactly they're looking for, right? So maybe you know like multiple things. Now you want to teach them. So before you start teaching them, what you can do, you can send one small survey link saying that, do you guys want to learn about design or how to write a blog for this week? So people will start responding, right? Yes, no. I mean, option one or option two. So by seeing that, whichever gets higher, the result, you'll be able to create content on that. So people can easily connect now. So if you're ready to teach me what I am looking for, rather the other topic, I'll be able to go through your content, right? So this is one. Then you can also create what? Quiz, right? So this is different type of content. Like this, if you keep going, right, it is there are a lot of things. Podcasts, case studies, I'm not able to recollect few things. Uh, yeah, I think these are the most types, right? So, guys, any questions here?